Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Markup. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful unique card shape by using Elementor Page Builder. So without further ado, let's now go inside Elementor Page Builder. By the way, in this tutorial, we will be using Elementor Flexbox container. So we need to go to WordPress dashboard. From under Elementor, from settings, then experiments tab, we need to enable the Flexbox container. Okay, let's go back to the Elementor Page Builder. First, take a section by clicking on this plus icon. I'm taking this one. I'm giving the minimum height to 100 VH. Then from under items, let's make the direction to column and align items, make it center. Also make it center too. Then from style tab, background type, I'm taking the color to #3C2846. Now from advanced tab, we need to give some padding. Let's unlink it. I'm giving 50 to the right and 50 to the left. Then from Rubik's Cube icon, I'm dragging a container here. Let's give it a width to 1200. Then I'm gonna take another container, so let's take this here. I'm giving the minimum height to 420. Then from style tab, let's take background gradient. I'm selecting the first color to #FF2FEO and then second color, I'm giving it #545BF5. Then from border, I'm adding some border radius. So unlink it, 20 to the top and right, 160 to bottom and left. Okay, then go to advanced tab, unlink the padding. I'm giving 15 to the right and left. Then from under here, CSS classes, let's type here card. Now let's duplicate this card for 2 times like this. This time I'm using navigator. Select the second container. Then from items, let's give the direction to row and elements gap to 30 pixel. Then we need to drag an icon inside. So let's go to Rubik's Cube icon. I'm searching for icon from here. Let's now drag this. Alright, from style, I'm changing the primary color of the icon. I'm taking this to white. And let's now make the size to 84. Okay, then from advanced tab, first we need to unlink the margin. I'm giving 5 to the bottom and unlink the padding. I'm giving 10 to right, bottom and left. From width, we need to make it custom. Then I'm giving the width to pixel and I'm giving it to 140. Align self, let's make it center. Then from background type, I'm taking the color to #3C2846. Then from border, let's give some border radius to it. Let's unlink it, 100 to the bottom and 100 to the left. Now I'll be dragging a heading widget here, so let's drag it. I'm changing the text to my text, card 1. I want to take the color to white, so let's go to style tab. From text color, I'm taking the text color to white. Then I want to make the text centered, so from content, let's make the alignment to center. Then from typography, font family, I want to make this to Poppins. Now let's make the size to 36 pixel and width to 600. Then from advanced tab, unlink the margin. I'm giving -6 to the bottom. Then from Rubik's Cube icon, I'm dragging the text editor here. Now from style tab, I'm making it center and changing the text color to white. Then from typography, let's take the font to Poppins and size to 18 pixel. Width I'm taking here 400. Let's now duplicate the card. Duplicate again. Close the navigator. I'm deleting the empty cards. Let's delete it. We can change the icons. I'm selecting the first icon from here under content. We can change our icons easily from here. So I'm selecting this one. I'm choosing this gem icon and changing the other icons also. Alright, if we minimize the bar right now, we can see the cards, but we can see the unique effect here. To do that, we need to add some CSS code here. Now let's go back. I'm using the navigator again. So navigator, select the second container. Then from under its advanced tab, from custom CSS field, we're gonna add some custom CSS snippet here. By the way, custom CSS is only available on Elementor Pro. I'll put my Elementor Pro affiliate link in the description. If you purchase Elementor Pro through the affiliate link, you don't have to pay any extra, but we will get a little commission for that. That will help us to continue this YouTube channel and make more interesting tutorials like this. We can get the CSS snippet from jimfahaddigital.com. I will put the page's link in the description. From under Unique Card Shape CSS, we need to copy this whole snippet. Let's copy it. Then go back to Elementor Page Builder and paste it here. Beautiful. Now if we close the navigator and minimize the bar, you see it's looking great. Now let's minimize the bar. I'm using the navigator. Select the third container. Then from layout, let's make the overflow to hidden. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other cards. Then select the middle container. From its style tab, I'm giving the first background color to #FFE051, and then the second color I'm taking it to F321D7. Then I'm gonna work with the third container, so select the third one. From the style tab, from background type, let's take the first color to #24FFD7. Then from second color, let's give it to #9A4EFF. Now let's close the navigator from here. Then I'm selecting the first icon. Then from under advanced tab, from CSS classes, I'm adding icon dash section. Make sure you have added the same name, icon dash section, otherwise it will not work. So I'm doing the same with other icons. So if we now minimize the bar and have a look, you see it's looking awesome. Let's now check out the responsive. On desktop, it's looking perfect. On tablet, we need to work with its responsiveness. So I'm taking the help of navigator. Let's minimize all these. I'm selecting the second container. Then from its layout, from items, let's make the direction to column and elements gap to 100 pixel. Then go back to container. I'm making the width to 320 pixel. Now if we minimize the bar, you see it's looking perfect. Now let's go back. Then let's check out the mobile responsive. I'm selecting the first container. From advanced tab, unlink the padding. I'm giving 50 to the top, 25 to the right, 100 to the bottom, and 25 to the left. Then I'm gonna work with the second container. Let's go to its layout. We can take 320 pixel here. Now let's select the text editor. Then from typography, I'm making the text size to 16 pixel. I'm gonna do the same with the other text editors. Let's now close the navigator and minimize the bar. Let's have a look. It's looking great on mobile device also. Now let's exit the responsive mode. Don't forget to click on the green update button to save your work. I hope you have learned something new today. If you like it, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also press on that notification bell icon to get notified before anyone whenever we will upload a new video on this YouTube channel. Also, if you want us to help you on your WordPress project or Elementor project, then you can contact us through our website, that's jimfahaddigital.com. We will try our best to help you. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.